Snelly for the Montana Science Center, and today we are learning all about bananas. Today we are also making banana bread. Start by preheating your oven to 350 and don't forget to wash your hands. The ingredients you will need are a stick of butter, flour, chocolate chips, salt, eggs, baking soda, sugar, cooking spray, and bananas. The materials you will need are a hand mixer, a bowl, measuring cups, and a pan to put your bread. If you do the experiment first, your bananas will be ready for cooking. Start by creaming your butter and sugar together in a bowl. Next, add your 2 eggs and your bananas. Once you have all the bananas and eggs in there, mix with the hand mixer. Next, add 2 cups of flour. Teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it together with a spoon. Fold in a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Next, spray your pans with cooking spray. Then add in the mixture. Sprinkle with chocolate chips. Then bake for 1 hour or until the bread test is done. Hope you enjoy. It's best with milk. Bye!